Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's James. So before I get into the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can help you achieve your financial freedom through real estate investing. So like it says in the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be teaching you how to find a real estate property in under 30 seconds. So let's go. I'm going to put up a 30-second countdown right here. So first off, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to call up realtors, real estate agents inside the area, the targeted area that you're going to be buying rental properties. You're going to call them up, tell them, hey, I want to be on automatic email listings for a property, a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,000 square feet, whatever it is, and under a certain amount, certain purchase price. Whew, I think I did it. So you're going to be getting emails sent to your email inbox on properties with this certain type of criteria. And you're going to want to act on these properties within 24 hours. You're going to want to send out your realtor and real estate agent over to the property to basically make videos of the property so you know that everything is good to go. Or if you're doing it in your backyard, you want to go out there and look at the property yourself. But like I said, you're going to want to do that within 24 hours because if you don't, most likely it's going to be gone. If you've been with this YouTube channel for a while, if you've been with me, if you've been supporting me, you know that I announced this big mission that I'm on. I want to make an impact on the school systems, on providing financial education for high school students, for college students, because I talked to literally everyone about this. They wish that they knew financial education before they got into the real world. And some people, 30, 40-year-olds, still don't even know what financial education is. They don't know a lot about this. So my mission is to become so relevant here on YouTube and through real estate investing so I can make that impact on the school system. So with that said, subscribe down below, hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. They're not always this short. They're typically between 7 to 10 minutes. Want to know how to run your cash flow analysis? It's going to be a video popping up over here or over here. It's going to be taking you step by step on how to run a cash flow analysis on a property, if it's going to cash flow or not. But until next time, guys, I'm out. See ya.